Welcome to the best picks. The best Kenwood Dash Cam is probably one of the most sought-after dash cams on the market, offering a comprehensive solution for drivers seeking reliable front and rear recording capabilities. This in-depth review will explore its features, performance, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right dash cam for your vehicle and driving needs. We will put this dash cam through a series of tests to determine its image quality, night vision capabilities, and overall reliability, providing you with an unbiased assessment to aid your purchasing decision. Number 5. REDTIGER F7 MP Dash Cam. It records in Ultra HD 4K and FHD 1080p simultaneously, capturing crucial details like license plates and road signs. The wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, providing comprehensive coverage. With its large aperture and HDR/WDR technology, it captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. Important details are visible, even at night. Connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to view, manage, and download videos using the REDTIGER app. Share your travel moments easily with friends and family. It has a built-in GPS that records your route, speed, and location. This data can be viewed on a map via the app or our desktop software, providing valuable evidence if needed. It features loop recording, a G sensor to automatically save collision videos, and a 24-hour parking mode, hardwire kit required. It keeps recording even when the memory card is full. It comes with an 18-month assurance and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're committed to providing excellent customer support. What we like. It boasts 4K front and 1080p rear recording for exceptional detail. Its superior night vision ensures clarity even in low light. If you need reliable GPS tracking for accident evidence, this is the dashcam for you. What people say. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. The 4K front camera captures crisp footage even at night. The wide 170 degrees angle means you don't miss anything happening on the sides. The 4K front and 1080p rear recording provides crystal clear video quality, making it easy to read license plates and road signs. The night vision capability is outstanding, capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. It captures highly detailed images, including street signs and license plates, thanks to its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. The wide-angle lens provides extended views and minimizes blind spots. With built-in GPS, it precisely records your location, route, and speed. Connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to easily control it, view, download, and share videos wirelessly. It features a high-spec StarVis sensor, a large f1.5 aperture, and advanced WDR and HDR technology for exceptional night vision and low-light performance. Even in challenging conditions, it captures clear images. The built-in G sensor automatically records and locks video footage upon impact. It also monitors your surroundings in time-lapse mode while parked, providing 24/7 protection for your vehicle, requires additional hardware kit. It comes with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 technical support. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. This model offers stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording. It comes with a generous 64GB card, saving you the extra cost. If you value seamless Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video access and sharing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The REDTIGER dashcam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Installation was ridiculously simple. Except for the 2 to 3 inches of wires by camera, the wiring is totally invisible. The front cam video was so crisp we were able to not only pull the license plate information off, but capture additional information from the truck and the load he was hauling. The videos themselves were amazing. The fact the cameras react to start-stop motion of the vehicle, as well as impact, is amazing. Number 3. 2.5K Mini Dash Cam. This dual dash cam provides front and rear 2.5K plus 1080p recording, ensuring you capture everything on the road. It's small and unobtrusive, yet powerful. With a wide-angle lens and WDR technology, it delivers vibrant, clear videos, even in low-light conditions. Experience superior night vision. It comes with a 32GB SD card and 2 mounting options for flexible placement. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. The built-in G sensor automatically locks important footage in case of an accident. Loop recording ensures continuous recording. The parking monitor function automatically records if your car is bumped while parked. It also offers additional features like voice recording and photo capture. We provide 24/7 online technical support and replacement parts. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. Its compact design won't obstruct your view. It includes a convenient 32GB card. If you prioritize ease of installation and a user-friendly experience, this dashcam is ideal. What people say. Amazing picture quality, easy to install, works great. Has a memory card and functions perfectly. I hardly see it in my car. The front camera video quality is good during the daytime. The dash cam operation is quite simple. Once installed, it turns itself on and off with the car. Number 2. PRUVEEO 360 degrees view 4ch dash cam. This innovative dash cam provides complete 360 degrees coverage around your vehicle, ensuring you capture everything. With 4 lenses, it simultaneously records high-definition video from the front, rear, and both sides. You'll have crystal-clear footage of any incident. It features a time-lapse function and parking mode to save space and provide continuous monitoring while parked. A hardwire kit is recommended for parking mode. It accurately records your location, speed, and route with built-in GPS. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you easily view and share videos with your smartphone. It offers exceptional night vision thanks to its advanced lens and infrared lights, ensuring clear recordings even in low-light conditions. It continuously records, automatically deleting older footage when the card is full. In case of a collision, it automatically locks the current footage as evidence. It's easy to install and use, with clear instructions provided. It has no internal battery to prevent damage from heat. What we like. Experience complete 360 degrees coverage with 4 cameras. Its time-lapse parking mode efficiently uses storage. If you want comprehensive coverage and a large included memory card, this is the one for you. What people say. The PRUVEEO dash cam with 4-channel FHD 1080p cameras provides impressive coverage, recording from the front, left, right, and rear of the vehicle. This wide-angle setup ensures that you capture every angle of your surroundings for enhanced security. The picture quality on all the cams is perfect and the included tool for pushing the cord into the roof of my vehicle was much needed. Excellent camera setup. I installed this in my 2024 Subaru Crosstrek and needed no additional wires or piggyback cables etc. It has everything and extras to boot. Very well thought out and machined manufactured. Number 1. YEECORE D22 Dual Dash Cam. Experience the ultimate in driving safety with this dual dash cam. It records stunning 4K video in the front and 1080p in the rear, capturing every detail of your journey. Drive confidently at night with its superior night vision. It uses advanced HDR technology to ensure clear recordings even in low-light conditions. This dash cam boasts an ultra-wide angle lens, capturing a comprehensive view of the road ahead and behind. Never miss a crucial moment. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily access and manage your recordings via the mobile app. It also provides accurate location data. It features emergency lock and loop recording. Important footage is automatically saved and protected, while older recordings are overwritten to save space. The 3.3-inch YEECORE screen makes viewing your recordings comfortable and easy. It's designed to minimize eye strain, even during long drives. This dash cam offers 4 parking modes to suit various situations. Choose the mode that best fits your needs for 24/7 protection. Hardwire kit sold separately. What we like. It features true 4K resolution for incredibly sharp footage. It offers blazing fast 5G Wi-Fi for quick video transfers. If you desire the best image quality and advanced connectivity, this dashcam is for you. What people say. Everything came packaged nice and protected. I've had the front and rear camera installed for 3 days now. Everything seems to be working great. The app is very easy to use and manage. The video quality seems to be pretty good. The dash cam was pretty easy to install and contained all the materials to do so. It even had an extra set of adhesive pad to attach to the windows, a nice plus. The unit works as advertised and the videos are the high quality I was looking for. The front camera's true 4K resolution captures incredible detail, making it easy to read license plates and discern crucial details in any incident. Even in low light, the HDR technology delivers clear footage. With a wide-angle front and rear camera, I have a complete view of the road ahead and behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.